Hello, hey guys, what's up? Joe here. Another quick video for you guys. So in the previous video, I was talking about pretty much be able to like maintain your health, and I think a mistake that many self-employed people do is that you work so much that you work first, but you put yourself definitely second or last, depending on your situation. And that's dangerous. It's something that I guess people don't really think about. Now, from personal experience, something I've experienced for myself is there's like urge to like constantly be working. If you're not working, then you're wasting your time, or pretty much you're gonna start failing, or pretty much you're gonna lose your momentum. And it's it can be like a self-defeating train of thought. It is important to work hard, that's for sure, but when you start to work so much your health becomes in danger, then you need to reevaluate your work ethics. And that's kind of like what I want to talk about in this video really quick. I definitely made the mistake where, because I wanted to get work done, I either started to drink too much caffeine, energy drinks, or because I didn't want to make the time to eat like an actual healthy meal, I'll be eating top ramen or just making quick sandwiches and all that. I won't be eating many vegetables, eat processed foods and stuff like that. I don't get too much into the details, but it did affect my weight, my mood, my skin, my overall digestive system was having issues as well because I was eating junk. So there are a lot of negative issues that comes when you don't eat well, that's for sure. But probably the thing that kind of like affected me the most is developing back pains. Now, I've had back pains before, mainly from working in construction. Either I do something wrong, or I twist something or lift something heavy, and then eventually it'll go away, right? That was pretty much my mentality. Be like, oh, I got some back pain, I'll take some pain medicine and it'll go away eventually, right? But yeah, that's definitely the not a good way to see things, right? Recently, about like a month or two ago from making this video, I had some very, very bad, severe back pains, right? And pretty much what happened was I had a very bad posture, very bad sitting position, to the point that my back became stiff. And by becoming stiff, it caused my back to swell up. And I'll post an image of what I'm talking about. But eventually what ended up happening was I developed some massive swelling on my back, and then my back basically turned into like a giant S. I got so crooked from the swelling itself. And man, it was one of the worst pains I ever had. I actually thankfully Paul was very understanding, and had to take some time off from work. I took like a week off, and I just mainly laid in bed and recovered. I went to the chiropractor and all that stuff, and it's just like, oh my god, I never experienced such a bad pain. And back pain hurts really, really bad. So when it comes to health, yeah, this is the common shit, in the sense of oh, you gotta eat well and do exercise, go to the gym, and all the good stuff. But yeah, actually sitting can be probably one of the most dangerous things as well when it comes to working at home. You have your office chair, you have your space, you're all hunched over to your computer, you're not sitting well. And that's something that I guess you kind of have to be mindful of, is pretty much how you sit. When I was going through this whole back pain situation, Paul actually got me Diana, his wife, she works from Monoprice, and they got me a sit stand disc. Pretty much they're just the legs, they're mechanical, right? So I attached them to the bottom of my desk, and now pretty much I'm able to stand when I'm tired of sitting, right? So I can stretch my back out and stuff like that. And as I'm making this video, I'm actually using it right now. And it's they're pricey. Well, not pricey, they're maybe over $100, but spending $100 for your back so you can stand up and stretch is very, very small compared to the crap I went through, the back pains. And going to the chiropractor, I had the chiropractor literally jump on my back and pretty much to create movement, because my back was so stiff. So by him introducing movement to my back, it kind of started to create the back to heal itself, right? But yeah, that initial manual movement of my spine, the adjustment, man, that thing hurt. It hurt really, really bad. Yeah, take care of your health. Back pain sucks. Definitely go for a walk. Don't just sit on your desk all day. Yeah, value your health, because because in this case you can't blame your boss, because you're the one that's working for yourself. So now you're the only one to blame if things don't go well, and that includes your health, right? So all right, I'm gonna end the video here. So thanks for watching and listening to my rant. Talk to you guys later. Peace.